السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. We will continue inshallah ta'ala to draw the projection of the irregular shape that we draw using oblique technique. Now we finished oblique technique for the irregular shape, given sketch of the irregular shape. Also we can draw the isometric shape of the same or this isometric use isometric technique to draw the same shape. One of these يعني techniques يعني can be followed to draw this shape. Okay, now how to draw the projection of the shape of the sketch or of the shape. We can inshallah ta'ala draw we can draw learn how to draw this shape or the projection of the shape. Now we can choose the sketch, or let me draw using the sketch. Okay, okay, now we can draw. This is the planes of projection. Okay, this is the planes of projection. This is the top view. Let me draw it up to be clear, more clear here. This is the top view. This is front view, and this is right view. Okay, Z direction, X and Y. Okay, it's the projection line, angle equal. Okay, now also we have to draw the standard shape. We have to draw the standard shape of the given standard projection shapes of the given sketch or of the given regular shape. The standard shapes or the standard projection planes is containing of the following lengths. For right view, for front view, let us start with the front view. Front view contains the following: the width and the height. How much the width? Width is 55 millimeter, and the height is about 35. This is the standard shape of, or the standard shape, a standard shape of the projection. Okay, this is for width 50 centimeter. Let me just write here 55 centimeter, 55 millimeter, and here is the dip, the height is 35 millimeter. Now for right view, we can choose also here the standard. The standard is the shared length between front view and the right side view is the height. Now here 50 millimeter and the shared length is 35. Now take the projection of the right view and the top view, and here okay, and the projection from front view to the top view. See here, this is the projection. Okay, now what we project here, we project 50 millimeter, and here 55 millimeter. This is the shear length between the right view and top view, and also from front view to the top view. Now we have to learn how to draw the projection of the shape. This is the front view. Here, always we set here R, and here is R. This is the shared point or the reference point between front view and the right side view. Now, if we see here in right view, in front view, sorry, we can see here R10, 8, 9. Just to recognize that shapes, I will make a shadow here or scratch here. Okay, R10, 9, 8. R10, 10 millimeter, 10 to 8, the same as R to 9, 55, and we closed by 8. Also, we can see here 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, and 15, 7, 16, 6. This is all the faces or the sides that can be seen here in the front view. So we can draw it R 10, 10 centimeter. We can draw it 10 centimeter here, and from R to 9, and from point 10 here to 8. Okay, 10 centimeter here, 10. Okay, now from 10 to 12, from 10, the point which shown behind 10 is 11. From 11 to 12 is how much? 25. We remove 5 here. How much? The remaining, it is, as we sit here from 3 to 4, is 20. 20 plus 15, 20 plus 15, that means 35 is the total thing. Now, even from, sorry, this is the total one, from 3 to 4. Now, from 1 to 12, 15, and we remove 10. So from 11 to 12, 5 millimeter. From 11 to 12, 5 millimeter. So we can here draw just 5 minutes. 12. From 12 to 13 is 30, 30 millimeter. From 12 to 13. It's 13. Take vertical line between 13 and 13. We will see here 14 in the same line of 10, 8. Okay, now 14 and 15 in the same point. 14 and 15 in the same point. Okay, 13 is here. 13 and 14, and from 15 to 16 is how much? Is 25. 25. If we continue here, we can reach the maximum height here at point 16. Okay, now we draw this surface and this surface, and the other surface or the final surface is 16 to 6, and from 6 to 7, and 7 is like behind 8. Okay, so we can complete this to get the same or the same shape or the same, or the final shape we see here. Now we have three surfaces, one, two, three. We have also three surfaces, one, two, three. Now all points must appear or يعني sit on the in all planes of projection planes. Let us see here. R1. One is behind R1. R1. Now, 2 to also sit behind 12. All lengths in the depth direction is disappear. Disappear. 13, 3. 16, 4. 6, 5. Okay, 6, 5. Now, let's go through all points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have totally 16 points. Okay, that means in the front view is now is complete. It's complete. Okay, let us take the other surfaces or the other projections. The other projection here is right side view. Right side view. From right side view, we can see this surface and this surface. Just see here, I draw on the sketch, not in the main shape. The main shape, we have to keep it as is, not to draw or not to lie anything on it. Okay. Now, this is point with different color. Let me draw with different. R21 is the total length. R21, 50 millimeter. 1. 1 to 2, 15, 15. Okay. This is 1 to 2. 2 to 12 is 20. It's 12. 12 to 11, 5. This is 11. Okay. And go back to the point 10 and turn back to R. This is the first shape from R, 1, 2, 12, 11, and 10. This is the first shape. The second shape, now we can see here 2 or 3 lies behind 2 and 13 or behind 12. Okay, we can see here from 3 to 4, we can draw this line with length equal 20 from 3 to 4. Okay, 4, 5 behind 4. Now from 4 to 16, how much? 20. 25, sorry. From 4 to 16, 25. 25. This is from 4 to 16. Now 6 behind 16. Okay. Now from 16 to 15. The difference between 15 and 14 is 5. Now 15 here with 7. Okay. Also 11, 14 behind 11. Okay. We can see this is the shape. Now 10, 8 behind 10, point behind point 10, 7 behind 15, and so on. Let me go through all points. R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, point 9. What is point 9? point 9, 9 behind R. Okay, 9 behind R. All links in the width direction in the front, يعني perpendicular to front view, is eliminated. Okay, this disappear. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All points is appear here. That means in the right side view is completed. Now we can go to the top view and follow the same technique. If we choose, we have to choose, and in the third projection planes, we can make a crossing between each point, yani R with R. See R here. This is by crossing method. R with R. R from front view and R from top view, and we can crossing there. Also 1 and 1. We can get 1 here. Okay, it's lies, it's seen or behind any point. We can set it as here. Okay, and to the same follow. Or we can follow the same technique by choosing the surfaces. If we choose the surfaces here, we can find here, this is the surface, which can be seen from top view, and this one, and this surface. But we have to know that sometimes there's a confuse between drawing the surfaces. So maybe many students can draw it right, but with the wrong way. Wrong way, that means they can draw it like this. See here, this is the surface, and maybe they can draw this surface and the set surface. This is okay, it's right, but in wrong way. Why in wrong way? Because there is a shared length between the top view and the front view. What is the shared length? It's 10. It's 10 and view. 10 and 8 is the shared length between here and here. Where is 10 from top view, and where is the 10 here? 10 slice here, 10 over. This is 10 over R. And 0.8. 0.8 is here. So if we decide that 10 and 8 is a shared length between front view and the top view, so we can just rotate the shape to get it as right shape. Okay, now 10 and 8 is here. From 10 we can see here the shape like this one. Here we can, from 10 we can draw, this is the shape. Okay, now from 10 to 11, here 11 and 12 in the same point, 12 to 2, 2 with 1, okay, 2 to 3, 3 and 4 the same point, and this is 1.85. 5 to 6, 6 and 7 in the same point, here 16, 16 and 15, 16 and 15, here 13 and 13, 14, also here 8 and 9. Okay, 8 and 9, 6, 7. Okay, let us go through all points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, all points is appear here in the top view, and we reach the final stage of our drawing, the projection of a regular shape. Okay. Uh-huh. Now for part B, I will give you part B as a homework. One group can draw it as oblique, and the other group drawing it as isometric pictorial. And they have to draw, all of you have to draw the projection of the part B. The part B is يعني somehow is complicated, and it is يعني found on the nature, and you can find it in life. Okay, thank you, and inshallah ta'ala, best wishes for you to success and to pass this course, and to pass all courses, and to good get good scores, and to be healthy, you and your family. Thank you, and see you inshallah ta'ala in our lecture. Okay, thank you. See you.